Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Agoura Hills local and long distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our professional movers make your long distance move simpler. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, our experts will assist. The right moving services help make all the difference, and we provide just what you require for your upcoming move. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers many other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, transparent pricing, licensed and insured. It might not be simple to rationalize the expense of working with a California moving company. A local moving company supplies many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. The time savings you get may make using the services of a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides yet another benefit you get from working with the right local movers. With our experienced movers, you get a very effective move from start to finish. With a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. No matter how large your move is, we can easily get it done quick. Contact us today and hire the top Agoura Hills moving company for your needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Agoura Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.